Hood, everybody on YouTube, man. Just got off work, sitting here chilling right now. Finna put in my GPS, see which route the fastest way to get home. But yeah, man, this is a late pickup. Nike was keeping in contact with me. They was letting me know, hey, sorry, we couldn't ship it out on this day. We're gonna ship it back. We're gonna ship it back out on this day. So you should get it between this day and that day. So they was keeping in contact with me, but it's still late. But anyways, man, about to head to the crib, man. What's good, man? It's about to pour down raining, man. I'm rushing home, man. Got that package, man. This should have been came a long time ago. Nike sent me an email. They kept me posted the whole time, though. Oh, shout out to Nike. They kept me posted, though. They say, hey, man, it's been a delay. We shipping it out this day, so it should be here by this day. So they kept me informed on everything. So late pickup, late. Finna be a late review, but you know it is what it is, man. Can't record while it's raining. See y'all at the crib, man. Yes, sir, man. Got it. Crib. Y'all see that tag, man? I mean that tape. Fuck. Y'all already know where this came from with that tape, man. That specialized tape everybody know about. But anyways, man, enough talking. Let's get straight to the showroom so I can show y'all what I just picked up, boy. What's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man, and I am back with another sneaker unboxing for y'all today. But before we get into the unboxing, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do, and subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And another thing, man, shout out to all the new subs, man. Shout out to all the new subscribers, all the new supporters, man. If I'm like, it don't show me when y'all subscribe, so you know, just comment down below, man. Just sub to you, man. Check my channel out or something, you know, anything, you know, just let me know, and then I'll check y'all, because it don't be telling me when everybody be subbing. It just be like, oh, you got so many new subscribers. You got 2 new subscribers, 1 new subscriber, 3. So just comment down below, man. Let me know. Check y'all channel out, all that stuff, man. But enough all the talking. Let's get into this unboxing. And my address is everywhere, so I'm going to put it down here. But like I was saying, Nike kept me posted. I was supposed to been had this shoe like, I forgot when. But I was supposed to been had this shoe a while ago. But you know, they still floating around. They going for some money too, low key. Receipt, y'all know how that is. And it's an old, and the box is beat up a little bit. It's an old pickup, regular Nike standard Nike box. And these are the React Element 87 uncovers. Size 9. This is the chalk and blue colorway. There go the tag on that. And let's get straight into this unboxing, man, because it's kind of late, man. They, like I said, they kept me informed. They kept emailing me and letting me know. And these are like, these and the green ones, the olive ones, are the ones that I really wanted. Like, I actually wanted to have those. And bling, blow, fur on the shoes, man. I'm not gonna put this back in there yet. I'm just gonna throw it over here. Yes. And these are, I heard somebody call these the Spider-Man joints, but whatever. These definitely, I mean, they do kind of favor Spider-Man a little bit. But as you can see, they come with spare laces in this big ass sandwich bag. For whatever reason, they got the big sandwich bag on deck. But we usually do the right shoe, but the right shoe have the extra laces on, so we are doing the left shoe. Then let me start off by giving y'all that full 360 of the shoe before we get into the details of it. Let y'all see how it is. This React is actually soft, just off me like grabbing it. Wow, man. That's a look at the shoe, but hold up. These spare laces is basically the same. I think these laces are blue, and I think the spare laces are black. So the same laces, it's just this one is black and this one is blue. But anyways, man, let's get into it. We're gonna start off with the toe box. As you can see, that element react vibe going on, translucent all the way through. You can see through the whole entire shoe. You have this little swoosh right here on the side. The stitching going up. Stitching going up the shoe, swoosh. Nice little leather on the right here on the lace holder. Little hint of 3M right here. Going up, these are 3M as well. Lace system with the little white dots. Nothing special on the lace tips, saying that it's a collab. And you have the little suede right here as well. Going all the way up and back. And on the side over here, we're going to skip straight to this. This is where you actually see that it's a collab, undercover. And I cannot pronounce this. Takahashi. I think I did it. Takahashi. And for this lace holder as well, you got some nice suede right here. It's ashy. I ain't gonna say it's real nice, but it's ashy. It's nice, it's decent. Nike React on the tongue. Tongue is translucent as well. I don't know why I'm talking like that. And on the other side, of course, you have no collab writing right there. You have a little hint of blue going from the toe box all the way around the whole shoe. Midsole, this is actually like a real light brown. I thought it was darker than this. You got the swoosh right here, the little react pods. This is actually real soft though. These are actually soft. Have the little crazy color, crazy pattern going around the midsole. Like I said, this is like a light, very, very light brown on the midsole. More pods, of course, on the heel area when you're walking, traction. And on the front as well. Going into the heel of the shoe, you have a little red swoosh right here. Blue pull tab with the 3M popping right there. And you have that red along the heel. There's no, no grip pattern on here. I don't think this is not a running shoe. It's just like a, I think this shoe is like lifestyle or more lifestyle. It's not running. It's just like a regular walking shoe. So on the inside of the heel, you have some little pods right here for grip of the shoe. The insole, air holes for breathability. Big swoosh. They took out the cork insole like the OG ones have. Tag is on the inside as well. On the insole. Outsole of the shoe is that real light brown with the React going on it. Nike React right here. This freaky little design for the heel. My honest opinion about these shoes, these are actually dope. These are actually dope. Nike React right there as well. I guess this is like the comfort plate for your heel right there. This little strap right there. Yeah. And I like the deconstructed look of it. Like how you can see like it got like that little off-white vibe. Nike been stealing Virgil's sauce. The stitching, like this is supposed to be on the inside of the shoe. You can see like where the stitching is on the outside. Like all the Nike shoes starting to have like Virgil's sauce all on it. Stitching right here going all the way across. The stitching right here. Like all of their shoes is starting to look deconstructed. Like this piece right here. This is not even, it looks like it's on the outside, but this is actually on the inside of the shoe. Like this little blue part is actually like on the inside of the shoe. Like the whole deconstructed look, like they really taking that sauce and running with it. They're like, hey man, we got you on contract, so until you off this motherfucker, we taking it all. And on the tongue as well, you have this. I don't even know. I think this is part of Undercover's like design, and it's like a little pod right here as well. I guess it's for the inside of your shoe, because the tongue is going to be like this. The Nike React is going to show. This is going to be on the inside, so this is like a little cushion. So I guess it won't be rubbing against your feet as much. Yeah, both of them have it. I guess so it won't be rubbing against your feet as much. But these are like some dope shoes. These dope shoes. I like them. Make sure this camera focus, because this camera be everywhere. But yes, these are dope shoes. I like these more than the other ones I got. I don't think like these, like you can't really even wear these now. Like it's starting to get like, I don't know how it is where everyone else is, but it's starting to get cold in Chicago. You might can pull these out like a couple days, like, and you can't wear it all day. You gotta be like, oh, I'm gonna wear these in the morning. Then you gotta switch shoes. So I'll probably keep these in the collection, hold them till next summer, or I don't know, might pull them out one morning and take them off, put on change of shoes, man. But anyways, man, like I said, thank you again for all the new subscribers, man. We starting from the bottom, man. Grind with me. We gonna work our way up to the top, be that day one subscriber, man. And the giveaways and all that stuff is coming. Again, shout out all the new subscribers. Hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.